Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing these car seat protectors from Allansing. So I do want to thank Allansing for actually gifting these to me. So what we essentially have here is a universal car seat protector. I have a 2002 model car where the leather seat is starting to rip. And in order to fix that, you do have to remove the entire seat, which is a bit of a hassle. So what I've essentially done is that I've actually taped the rip. And this is going to come in handy just because this will actually go over the rip so that it protects the seat even better. So you can see here, it does even include a pocket on the front strap. And there's a bunch of straps here to kind of secure it onto the headrest, secure it behind the actual seat. This right here actually fits in between the seat cushions, so it's more secure. You have more straps that actually secure as well. And on the side, you do basically just have, let's see, just flaps to protect the more thigh area of the seat and such. So this is what it looks like on the thigh. You have a universal pocket, which actually acts up and opens up right over here. But overall, can't wait to use it with an older car model like mine. This is definitely going to come in handy. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.